Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that so many of us can relate to, whether we're teenagers or adults: acne. Those pesky breakouts can be frustrating, uncomfortable, and sometimes even hurt our confidence. While there are lots of products out there, sometimes the best solutions come straight from nature. We're going to explore some gentle, natural skin remedies that might just help you get clearer, happier skin. First up, let's talk about tea tree oil. This essential oil is a superstar when it comes to battling blemishes. It has amazing natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, meaning it can help kill the bacteria that cause acne and reduce the redness and swelling that come with it. It's super powerful, so you should always dilute it before putting it on your skin. Mix a drop or two with a teaspoon of a gentle carrier oil like jojoba oil or aloe vera gel. Dab it carefully onto individual spots or affected areas using a cotton swab. A little goes a long way. Next, we have a kitchen staple that's surprisingly effective: honey, especially raw honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, making it perfect for angry breakouts. It can help soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and even help heal blemishes. You can use it as a spot treatment by dabbing a small amount directly onto a pimple and leaving it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. Or, for a more widespread treatment, mix it with a bit of ground cinnamon, another natural anti-inflammatory, for a gentle mask. Don't forget about aloe vera. This plant is famous for its soothing and healing properties, which is why it's great for sunburns. It's also fantastic for acne because it's naturally anti-inflammatory and can help calm irritated skin. Pure aloe vera gel can be applied directly to blemishes or used as an all-over soothing mask. It's non-greasy and helps reduce redness without clogging pores. Finally, let's touch on a couple of internal helpers. Sometimes, what you put into your body shows up on your skin. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin hydrated, which is essential for healthy cell turnover. Also, some people find that reducing dairy and refined sugars in their diet can significantly improve their skin, as these can sometimes contribute to inflammation and breakouts. Remember, clear skin is a journey, not a destination, and what works for one person might be different for another. But by incorporating these gentle, natural remedies into your routine and being consistent, you can give your skin a beautiful boost from nature.